Hi everybody, this is Damon King with Chapelwood Financial Services, and for today's Casual Friday how-to, I'm really kind of going casual here in my office and actually enjoying my lunch. And I just got an email that I want to tell you about. I got an email from someone who attended one of my classes recently. And here's what she says. Hey Damon, I just got an email. I took your class. I was in your Disinheriting Uncle Sam class, so we were talking about taxes. I just got a call from someone who says they were the IRS and that I owe a lot of taxes. Is there anything you can help me with, or do you know about this? Well, I haven't responded to her yet, and I am going to respond to her. My response is going to be, well, certainly contact your CPA, that sort of thing. But I'm going to tell her this is a scam. This is not real. The IRS will never contact you by phone like this. This kind of stuff happens all the time, and it really makes me angry because there are people out there who will prey upon your lack of knowledge of what real protocol is when it comes to dealing with the IRS or even Social Security Administration or other people who claim to be somebody who can dip into your bank account or you can get sued, something like that. So I felt compelled to do a video today about how to know when you're being scammed. And specifically, I want to talk about three things. So first of all, the IRS. I actually went to the IRS's actual website, and this is on their own site, and this is what they say. And it says, note that the IRS does not call to demand immediate payment using a specific payment method. They will never call to demand that you pay taxes without the opportunity to question or appeal the amount they say that you owe because you have rights as a taxpayer. They will never threaten to bring in local police, immigration officers, or other law enforcement to have you arrested for not paying taxes. The IRS is not going to call you on the phone. If you are contacted by the IRS, most likely it's going to be by a letter. That's going to be the very first thing. It's going to be by a letter that comes in the mail. Now, it is possible that an actual representative, an actual agent of the IRS could visit you, but if they do, they will always provide two forms of identification so that you know I'm talking to a real IRS agent. What about Social Security? There are a lot of people who get calls claiming to be Social Security, that you owe us money, or you've got a false claim that you've taken. You can go on the Social Security's website, ssa.gov. The IRS is irs.gov. You can go to ssa.gov. This is what they say. In fact, there's a page called Is That Phone Call From Us? And this is what it says here. The Social Security Administration will never do these. They will never call you to demand an immediate payment. They will never call to demand that you pay a debt without the ability to appeal how much you owe. They will never call to require a specific means of payment. They will never ask you for your personal information or your credit card or debit card numbers over the phone. And they will never threaten you with a phone call for arrest or deportation. Again, the IRS, Social Security, they are not going to contact you by phone. If you get a phone call from someone claiming to be with IRS, the Social Security Administration, Medicare, something like that, it is a scam. Hang up immediately. Do not give them any personal information. Don't say one word to them. All right? And then if you feel the need, you can contact, there are ways to report these things. So for example, the Social Security Administration says hang up immediately, and if somebody is impersonating the Social Security, you can contact the Social Security's Office of Inspector General. You go to oig.ssa.gov and you can report that phone call that you got. You can do the same thing with the IRS. They've got ways to report somebody impersonating an IRS agent. So again, this is very important. This is not necessarily a how-to, but it kind of is. It's how to protect yourself from these kinds of malicious, blatantly false calls that take advantage of a lot of people. And I strongly encourage you to educate yourself, and if you have any questions about phone calls you get, whether it's related to the IRS, Social Security, someone trying to sell you Medicare insurance and you don't know what's going on, give us a call here at Chapelwood Financial. That's 405-348-0909. I would also encourage you, call your CPA if you have a question like that. Call your attorney if you've got a question like that. But if you don't have any one of those and you just need someone to talk to, give us a call here at Chapelwood Financial. Again, 405-348-0909. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend. We'll see you next time.